everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to New York, where it is currently a cool and breezy 95 degrees out. Yes, it is. Hence, of course, the Hot and Sweaty channel. Welcome back, everybody. And there goes my phone. This is going to be a quick video, so I am going to keep the fan off to keep the noise down. But I've been waiting all month for it, and yeah, 3 emails back and forth, which took 2 days each to respond to, and I finally got an answer as to where my lovely Allure box was. It is now currently the 27th of August. Yeah, why not just wait until like the 31st, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we're going to open this up, and I don't know if anybody wants to see it, but I do. So I'm going to open it up with you guys. At least this one's easy to open. At least this one isn't frustrating. Well, before I say it's not frustrating to open, let me just get through it and I'll let you know. So we are armed and ready with my glasses. And here is our Allure box. Allure. Why can't I say Allure? I always say it Allure. What's wrong with me? I think it's a full moon or something's in retrograde because people are crazy. People are absolutely nuts this week. Just throwing it out there. So that's why I like to talk to you guys. Because you guys are wonderful and nice and lovely. We're going to open her up now. Okay, on the front we have our usual magazine, which is a beautiful woman on there. They always put really beautiful models. Sometimes they have really odd faces, but nonetheless always beautiful models. It's a heavy box, plain paper. Do they have something written on the front? No, sometimes they put a little something cute on the front of the thing. But let's open her up and see. Okay, the first thing we are getting is a $30 off your next order from Burrito Watch. I guess it's a coupon. And it says personal accessories starting at $70. I really don't wear watches because I have my Gear Fit, so I really don't wear watches, so this wouldn't be useful to me, but that's okay. I don't like to look, I like to be surprised, and oh no, I feel what's gotta be a shampoo bottle. And it's a shampoo bottle. Either I got this in my Birchbox or I got this last month, but it's a Nexus. I actually tried it. It's the Carafix and it's the Protein Fusion. And of course there has to be, yes, if there's a shampoo, there has got to be a conditioner because at least they do that. And at least these are decent sized bottles and not foil packs, so I'm not going to be upset about those. It's actually pretty decent. I have tried it. My hair, I think my hair likes it anyway. Well, my hair, you can never tell. I just hate getting hair care. Next we have a squeezy tube, and this is from Caudalie. It is the Vino Source Cream Sorbet. It says hydrant, which means moisturizer. Yeah, moisturizing sorbet. Okay. Shall I open? It's probably safety sealed. No, it's not safety sealed. Interesting. So let's squeeze a little out. I have a ton of skincare open right now, which is why it has a floral smell, which is why I didn't want to open it if it had a safety seal, but it's almost gel-like, so it does seep into your skin very quickly. Yeah, that's nice. I said this, if you don't like a florally rose smell, you won't like this. Caudalie is supposed to be a good brand, so we're going to read up on it a little bit later. Not too much later. Pretty quickly, actually. I feel the box, and in the box, Laritzi Cosmetics Light Sticks Illuminating. Okay, I've never heard of Laritzi Cosmetics. That's okay. So this must be very thick. Oh, it's a highlighting stick. Not a big fan of highlighting sticks. Do I want to try it? Do I not want to try it? Do I want to try it? Do I want to give it away? Let's wait and see. Before I swatch it, let's see if I want to give it away or not, because I'm not a fan of cream highlighters. I have a palette of cream highlighters that I don't use because I use powder and I powder my face. Alright, so we're a little disappointed thus far, but hey, it's a gamble, it's a risk. What are you going to do? Okay, the next one makes me exceedingly happy. It's from Laneige. The lip sleeping mask, which I've never tried. I've tried the sleeping mask for your face. I have not tried the lip sleeping mask, and I'm excited about this. They just came out with some new flavors from what I understand. Very, very small amount. How much are you actually getting in here? You're getting 0.10 ounces, which is tiny. What scent do we have? It smells, I think it smells like strawberries. Watch me put this on and then my lipstick get on my teeth. Yeah, I don't want to do that because you know lipstick will get on my teeth. If you know me, you know that lipstick creeps onto my teeth. I'm really excited about that. I wish it was a little bit bigger. That's a teeny tiny little sample, but... And there's just one thing left in the box, and... it's another Ico liquid black eyeliner. The only thing I can say is this is a full size. I need some coffee to get through this one. I know it's 100 degrees and I'm drinking hot coffee. I can't explain it either. Tell my taste buds. Okay, so I have gotten this so many times. I have a lot, and I do mean a lot. Let's read up on the pamphlet, shall we? Here we go. So the Caudalie Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. You know, if you do get the box, actually spend a moment and read the little paragraph that the people who are curating the box write about it. Because sometimes they're freaking funny, I have to tell you. I'm going to briefly give you a summary. It says it has a subtle cooling effect that's heaven on hot days, and it doesn't feel heavy or greasy. I used it after a sleepless night, and it gave my skin a rosy glow that made me look less like a zombie than before I even reached the concealer. That would be good because I've been zombified. The full cost of the full size, which of course I will give you the breakdown on the screen. What is it with my phone today? Is $39. You can get 20% off. 20% off. Oh, you have to spend $100 or more. Yeah, you have to spend $100 to get 20% off. No, thank you. Next, the very overpriced, because I know this already, the Ico Skinny Liner. It's $22. If I'm going to spend $22, I'm going to get a Marc Jacobs. I'm going to get the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Not Ico. Yeah, this isn't much to it except that it's a black liquid liner, which we always get. The Laritzi Cosmetics Light Stick in Halo. I can see my halo. Okay, sorry. The full price is $24. I've never even heard of Laritzi Cosmetics. You can get 15% off your order. 4 times the charm from my phone. Again, I don't know if I'm going to swatch it because I really haven't decided. And if I'm going to give away, obviously I can't swatch it. So I'm on the fence, but it's $24. Next up, the Laneige Sleeping Mask. The full size cost is $20. You can buy it at Sephora. And it is a, did I give you the scent on here? Yeah, they says it smells like berries. I was thinking strawberry. I've heard very good things about this. The full size is $20, which is kind of a lot for like essentially a lip balm, but I am excited to try it. And of course, our lovely Nexxus Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner and Shampoo. They're each they're not each $12.99. Interesting. It is $12.99 for 13.5 ounces for the shampoo, and for the conditioner it is $17.99 for 13.5 ounces. Why? I don't know. Interesting. If you go into Nexxus.com and you want to purchase anything from them, you can get 25% off by using the code Allure BB. Okay, so, you know I said I will definitely give you the breakdown as to what the value of the items that we received cost. The value of the box, of course, is going to appear very valuable, but I don't know this company, and I just don't think they are worth the cost of their products, especially their brow product. It was, yeah, no. So essentially, I kind of got 2 things I like, and I'm okay. kind of okay. Like I said, I'm not mad. I mean, these boxes, if you don't know, Allure costs $15 a month. You get one every month. Mine came almost into the next month. There are $10 boxes. I think this is more like a $10 box, or it should be. You can get your first box for $10 because your first box, they do give you $5 off, and they send you like a welcome gift and stuff like that. This stuff is like kind of like Christmas. You never know what you're gonna get, and so it's fun nonetheless. I enjoy doing them. I enjoy watching them, and yeah. So that is it, my friends. It came at the end of the month. I finally got it. A little disappointed. What are you gonna do? Next month will be better, probably. Well, I hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing week. I hope it is cooler where you are because it's not here. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, everybody.